Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID or without phone number. Okay, let's start and go to your phone screen. First go to your Roblox apps. Update your Roblox apps. Select always. Now update your Roblox apps. The app has been updated. Okay, select play. Tap one more. Select setting. Account information. Security. See, you can see many options. Select by the content restriction. Here you can see there are no options here. Okay, go back. Tap on help and safety. Tap on help. Search Roblox voice chat. Keep watching the video. Select voice chat. Now follow my step to get voice chat on Roblox. Scroll down. Select need more help. Contact support here. Then enter all the details. First name, select Android phone, technical support, social action support. Now write a description on this issue. Now they will review your request, then you can get your voice chat on Roblox. Thank you for watching video.